Let's make a cute Valentine's Day banner with duct tape. Hello, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming craft tutorial videos. I've got the supplies that we're going to be using laid out on the table here, and I will have links to all of the supplies either in the description of this video or on the blog post. So make sure to check for that. We've got some golden red holographic duct tape, a heart punch, some twine, scissors, a ruler, and I'm going to be using this banner punch board by We Are Memory Keepers. You don't have to have the banner punch board, you can just stick with a pair of scissors. And then I'm going to be using some contact paper. Now the design of the contact paper doesn't matter because we want to use the backing sheet of the contact paper. So just use anything that you have lying around. The holographic duct tape that we will be using, it came in a package of 6 with all of these fun colors, but we are only going to be using 2 today. I want to use the red and the gold. First, I'm going to take my twine and I'm just going to cut off a good length of this. Now, it doesn't have to be twine. You could use yarn or really any type of string that you have on hand. And I don't know how long I cut this, maybe about a yard. But again, you could do this any length to fit any need. I'm going to take my ruler and just set it down because I want to cut my strip of duct tape into about 10-inch long pieces. It doesn't have to be perfect. Whoop, gonna let go. And then we're gonna bring in our string. The tape is sticky. Weird how that works. It wants to stick to everything. We're just going to lightly lay it down. And then we're going to fold this in half so it sticks to itself. And we want to line that up pretty good. Okay, and then we can move that string so it's at the end and just push that tape all the way down like that. Then we're going to cut another piece of tape, again about 10 inches long. And we want our banner pieces to be, about an inch apart or so. And then we're going to do the same thing and fold this flag over on itself, lining up those edges. It's all so sticky, so you just kind of have to go slow. And I'm going to continue that until I have, let's do like 8 or 10 flags on there. I've got my 8 banners all on my twine, and now I want to give them each a little dovetail. Now, if you're using scissors, the easiest way to do that is to lightly fold them in half and cut in down to the corner for the ends. But I am going to be using the banner punch board. I am going to take my string and line it up on the 4.5-inch line of the banner punch board. And then center that duct tape flag in between the 2-inch lines. And I'm going to close it and take my little cutting tool and create my dovetail that way. And I like using the banner punch board because then all of my dovetails are going to look exactly the same. When you're using scissors, the degree on that, the angle can be a little bit different each time. So again, I'm going to go to the 4.5-inch line, center between that 2-inch line, and cut my dovetail. And I'm going to do that to all of my banner pieces. Our banner is coming right along. Next, we want to add our gold hearts. So I'm going to take my contact paper and I am going to cut down 3 inches. Now remember I said you just want the backing paper. So I'm going to peel this off. And I don't need this, so I can just throw it away. Now I need the backing paper because I want to put my duct tape through a paper punch. And so I need a backing paper to my duct tape. Grab my heart paper punch, and I need 8 hearts to go on my banner. There's 1, 4, 8, and then we'll cut 1 more just in case while I'm at it. I'm going to take a weeding tool to help me remove that backing paper now from those little hearts. Just peel that back, and then I'm going to place the heart on my banner. Isn't that so cute? And then we can repeat that for all the hearts. That is so cute, and I love the sparkly of it. And there is our cute duct tape heart banner. Wouldn't that look so cute just hanging on a shelf or a corner of a doorway? It's a great way to decorate for Valentine's Day. If you want more fun at craft tutorials, make sure to check my website, thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.